by the banks of the old river Rhine, where I loved her and left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, look up towards the heaven. It's night when the stars start to shine. By the same
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Love you.
We love you, Lolo!
We love you,
Thank you for
Lolo.
everything! Best Lolo ever!
Have fun po sa birthday niya.
See you soon, Lolo!
Tang, happy birthday. 80th birthday from Qatar.
Happy birthday, Tang. Masaya kami na akaya beda kayo king 80th birthday you. Excited kami na muli para king birthday mo ngayon.
Balumin na maging masaya yung birthday mo dahil muli kami at di kami masaya kami mo rin na akit da ka.
Yeah, pindang. Ketang ining Aldo na i-celebrate taming birthday mo na biya-biya mo. In panalangin ko tang I enjoy may tangal do ngayta at maging masaya tangan.
Happy 80th birthday.
Happy birthday tang.
Happy birthday, Lo. God bless. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Condoming. Sana masaya ka ngayon yung birthday mo. Any chance ko na sana magpa-thank you kaya ka. Uling kaya ka, aranasan ko kahit makanano yung birthday. Yung biya kay Amerika, inyang dadalang kami Clark during 4th of July. Ika rin yung na magpa-realize ka na ako na importante yung pangkaral. Sana mag-enjoy ka and God bless.
Good morning or good afternoon po. Okoy, happy 80th birthday. Wishing you all the best. Stay well. Hope you have a wonderful time with your family. With this 80th birthday is a big one. So this is Ruby. Just want to say hello to everyone. And kumusta ko nga po. Hopefully one day I will have a chance to go home to visit everybody. As of now, the kapatid, move out nila, they have their own apartment. So just me and my husband now, Mitchell and I and my boys, wishing you all the best. And then take care of yourself. And then happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mama Chup Chup. Thank you.
Happy 80th birthday, Uncle Dom.
We wish you good health and happiness po. Enjoy your party. We'll see you soon.
Hi Lolo, happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and strength and have a truly wonderful birthday. We love you.
Hello, Bob. Happy 80th birthday to you. I hope God grants you whatever your heart desires and keep watching over you. Baka makapagbakasyon kami ka next year. So, see you then. Again, happy 80th birthday. Enjoy your special day, and I hope it's a good one from all of us here, Corpus Christi, Texas. We love you. God bless.
Happy 80th birthday, Tang!
Sana lagi kang malusog at yung health mo mag-improve ya po. At kahit pa na hindi kang maglakad bakit sa beta mong maglakad kang park.
Good health always.